Splash. Written and illustrated by Ann Jonas. I have a pond in my backyard. I have 1 turtle, 2 catfish, 3 frogs, and 4 goldfish. I feed them every day. How many are in my pond? My cat comes home. He wakes my dog. The turtle jumps into the pond. How many are in my pond? My cat watches the fish. My dog chases the cat. 1 frog jumps in. How many are in my pond? My cat falls in. My dog falls in. How many are in my pond? Two frogs jump in. How many are in my pond? My dog and cat climb out. A dragonfly falls in. 1 frog hops out. How many are in my pond? Two frogs hop out. My dog slips back in. How many are in my pond? I help my dog out. The dragonfly flies off. 1 frog jumps in. How many are in my pond? The bird flies away. Another frog jumps in. I fall in. How many are in my pond? The 3rd frog jumps in. The turtle stays in. I climb out. How many are in my pond? My dog is sad. My cat is mad. I feed my fish.